In today's video, I want to show you how InstaWP changes the WordPress game for freelancers and agencies. So let's say you've designed a website and it's an e-commerce website for your client and everything looks really cool. You have your categories here, and when you scroll down, you also have your product pages, and you've also gone in and customized all these product pages. So let's say over here, if we go to this product and you click on it, everything pretty much has been designed. And a few moments later, or maybe after a few days, you get another client that also wants an e-commerce website. Now, guess what that means? That means you would have to redesign this complete website. And by the way, it took me days to come up with this design and get it approved. So it would mean that you would have to design pretty much this whole website from scratch. So now let me show you how you can save time with InstaWP. All right, so over here on InstaWP, this is the actual website. Okay, so what you do now, if you really want to save time, is to turn this into a template. So what we need to do now is to come over here to templates. We click on add new, and this is the one that shows here. It's called myclient.instawp.xyz. So I'm going to select that and then click on next. So here I'm going to give it a name. So I'm just going to call this e-commerce. Like that. If I need to, I can give it a description, but we don't have to. Okay, so over here, we can keep it private. It doesn't really matter. So all I have to do now is to click on save. So now I have a template called client e-commerce. By creating this template, this means that every time we want to create a new e-commerce website, we just build it from the template, saving us so many hours. So what I'm going to do next is to show you how I'm going to turn my online shop into a totally different type of shop. And this time I want to go extreme and design a farm shop. All right, so my template is ready. So let's say it's time now to build our website for our new client. So what you need to do is to head over back to our dashboard here, and then we're going to click on add new to create a new staging site. So I'm not going to bother about this because I have a template. So I'm going to say from template. Now notice that we have our client e-commerce right here. So I'm going to click on that. Now over here, I want to give this a name. So I'm just going to call this farm shop. I'm going to reserve it since this is going to be a client website. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the website. So what's going to happen now is the website that's going to be created here is going to be a replica of the one that I've just shown you, which is right over here, because this has pretty much our complete design. Yep, so now our website is ready. I can now click on magic login to log into my new site. So that we don't get confused, I'm going to come over here and get rid of the original site for our first client. So we're going to pretend now that this is our second client. Okay, so here's our site. I'm just going to open this in a new tab so we can see that our template has actually worked. So here's our website. So what I can do now from this point onwards is to go in and start customizing this. So I'm going to click now on Enable Visual Builder. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change this background image. So I'm going to click here on this gear icon, scroll all the way down here to background, and then go to my image here and change this to an image that suits the project that I'm doing for my client. So in this case, this is going to be a farm shop. So I'm going to select this image here, upload image, and right away you can see now things are changing. I'm going to save that. Next, I need to add some categories here. So I'm going to change this category here, and I just want to show you how easy this is. Come over here to my background, go to my background image, and I'm going to change this. So let me upload my file from my computer. I'm going to say select files. So let's say I'm going to sell meat as one of my categories. I'm going to choose my meat here, upload image. So I'm just going to name this beef, or maybe we can just call this organic beef. So let's say this is my first product, and this product here are oranges. I'm going to edit the permalink here like that. Click on OK. And over here, I need to change my product image. So I'm going to click here on remove product image, and then I'm going to add my own. Again, I'm going to go into my desktop here and upload my file. So let's say this is the image. Now let's take a look at our product in a new tab. So here's our product, and you can see I haven't gone in and made a lot of customizations. Pretty much my template has all the designs that I need. Look at that. So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, I've actually done this update to a brand new website in a very short space of time. This was not even 30 minutes. So InstaWP allows you now to design your websites in a super fast way using templates. So if you're a freelance designer or a design agency, this is the best way to have a very fast workflow. And this, I'm telling you, your customers are going to love this because your turnaround time is going to be super fast and it's also less headache for you. Finally, you can go in and change your colors, you can change your fonts, but the bulk of the work is already done. Now, in this example, I was using Divi, but this template feature actually works with any page builder. So try out InstaWP. The link to that is in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.